Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and a clear environment. Low battery or nearby paired devices can interfere. Hold the power button for about 4 to 5 seconds until the LED alternates blue and red. That puts the Life Q20 into pairing mode. Once done, open your phone or laptop Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is on. You're creating the discoverable window. This is necessary because the headset won't appear until it actively broadcasts its pairing signal. Now, in your Bluetooth list, scan and tap Soundcore Life Q20. You need to accept pairing prompts on your device. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000, that's the standard. Once you tap Connect, the headset and phone perform a handshake to exchange profiles for call and media audio. Make sure the confirmation tone plays and the LED stabilizes to a steady blue. That tells you the connection was successful and profiles are active for playback. Finish by testing audio and the microphone in a quick call or voice memo so you know both media and voice profiles work. If the headset fails to connect, reset it. Power off, then press and hold power plus volume up for about 5 to 7 seconds until the LEDs flash. This clears previous pairings. After resetting, repair from the Bluetooth menu. If problems persist, make sure firmware is current via the Soundcore app. Updates often fix connection quirks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.